At the 5 o'clock update right now, and as you can see, Alex, there's a little bit of a shift there back towards the east. More importantly now, we have a Category 2 hurricane. Winds are at 100 miles an hour, and overall, the size of this storm has grown in size, nearly 500 miles across in size. And that's important because when you take the width of that storm and lift it up to the north, all of Central Florida, as we've been saying now over the last 48 hours, are going to feel the impacts with Ian. Notice the intensity here. Category 4, even at 2 p.m. on Wednesday, the cone slightly shifted just to the east a hair this afternoon at landfall here. As you can see, by Thursday, Category 1 hurricane potentially coming ashore and then building up towards Jacksonville. There's a closer look at what we're looking at here. 2 a.m. southwest of Tampa Bay. 2 p.m. slowing down just to the northwest potentially of Tampa Bay, coming ashore either just northwest of Tampa Bay. Could scrape the western interior there of Marion County with, of course, some really strong winds. We'll get to that here in just a little bit. Tropical storm watches now through the interior of Central Florida. Takes a little bit of time for the new information to come in. Not sure if this was adjusted yet, as literally the advisory just came down as we were jumping back on the air. Storm surge Fort Myers, 6 to 8 feet. Storm surge in and around the Tampa Bay area, potentially up to 11 feet there with the latest guidance. Let's take a look now. You can see 1, 2, and 2 getting much better organized. The width of this storm has grown from yesterday, nearly 500 miles wide. And look at the rain and the gusty winds down to the south on the northern side of this particular feature, beginning to lift back to the north. One of the things that we're going to watch very carefully is the storm surge as that storm lifts northward from the Everglades all the way up towards Tampa Bay. We'll have you covered on that. All right, let's take a look now at Futurecast here. You can see just to the west of Havana, there's 8:30 there on Tuesday. Let's jump ahead now to Tuesday evening. Some of the first bands reaching Central Florida. From there, the storm system will continue to lift up towards the north. We'll really be in it as we get you through the day on Wednesday and once again on Thursday. Let's talk about those winds here. You can see the models here. 50-mile-an-hour potential wind gust as we get you into Wednesday. 50 to 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts there. That might even be a little bit underdone based on that little shift in guidance from the National Hurricane Center. Even on Friday through the first half of the day, some squally weather. Things will begin to improve as we get you on into Friday afternoon. With more on the timing, here's Alex.
Yeah, that's right, Tony. So like you just alluded to here, as we go into Wednesday morning, that's when we're expecting to first start seeing those tropical storm force winds moving on into parts of our southern communities. By Wednesday evening, those conditions really begin to deteriorate. You can see all in the yellow here where we'll be dealing with those tropical storm force winds, even the potential for hurricane force winds as we go into Wednesday. By Thursday morning, those start to shift up towards the north into northern Volusia County and into Flagler County. Let's take a look at those impacts for Volusia and Flagler counties and Brevard counties. To the north, expecting greater rainfall amounts, about 5 to 8 inches of rain. To the south in Brevard County, expecting more in the lines of 2 to 5 inches of rain all across our coast. We're going to be watching out for those gusts 40 to 50 miles per hour. And again, the worst weather starting south, moving to the north, starting around Tuesday evening, continuing until we go into Friday evening. As we take a look at those local impacts, again, flooding still remains on the high side. Severe storms, wind gusts, medium for now, but likely to inch their way back up to that high category. Storm surge will remain low. Coming up, I'm going to take another look at some of those wind fields and what we can expect going into the future in just a few minutes.
Alex, thank you.